Let's start it off with the don't trip, bro.
Don't trip.
Don't trip, dude. Little hectic. How the heck are we gonna get out of here?
Yeah. I think we have to go this way.
We do gotta go this way.
Try to go.
Let's go, dude. Oh my god. You know what, dude? Preparation is cool and all, but like off the top of the head is where it's all at, you know?
That's the real shit, dude.
Yeah. It's how I can be genuine and talking to the camera and not feel like I'm being disingenuous, you know?
That's right.
This is Chanu's best friend. Chanu, 안녕.
Yeah.
That daughter is like super cute.
Dude, he's slipping, bro.
Dude, I know. Dude, he's so heavy now, bro.
I bet. Dude, he's way bigger, dude.
Dude,
When we first started.
he got way taller.
Yeah, he did.
He's 90 centimeters now.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, so he's like,
Almost a meter?
yeah, bro. But dude, the front end is working again, dude.
Oh, it's good now?
But like, you know, I still got a code, yeah, but everything's good. Fucking, dude, it's crazy because like, we started this day in the life thing like November,
Oh my god, yeah.
and you just get to see the kid grow right in front of your eyes. Dude, every morning recently, dude, he's been playing this shit where he's like, huh? Watch this, dude. 찬이야, 아빠가 어딨어? And then he'll hide it and he'll be like, 아빠가 없어. Every morning, bro. 토끼 없어. 맞아. Dude, I've been watching this new show, bro.
You and your K-dramas, dude.
Dude, My Mister.
Is it crazy? Or
Oh my god, it's fucking, dude. It's good, dude. Dude, it's just like the everyday struggles of like people, you know? One of the biggest lessons in that show I learned, like he says like this is a huge lesson in life, I think. There's like a main character and there's IU's character, you know? There's like, they're both the main characters.
Yeah.
And basically, so the one guy, he's like a boss, you know? So he has like a bunch of people under him, you know? She basically hears one of his like people under him like talk shit about him. So she like defends him and slaps him.
Yeah.
And then it gets around the office and then he's like, why did you slap him, you know? Because he like, it's a big issue in the office, you know? And then she's like, it sucks working for you because even though you're talented, like the rest of the company hates you and wants to get you fired.
Oh.
And I work under you, so it's like too much stress for me. And then it's like just office politics, bro. And then he's like, thanks for telling me, but you know, like if telling everything is really like, that might be admirable and really cool for like when you're a kid. It's better when you just act like you don't know or didn't hear it. If you find out that person knows that truth or that flaw about you, you start avoiding all these people. Dude, it sounded super profound in fucking Korean, bro.
You messed it up.
I messed it up, dude.
I get what you're saying.
Like, as an adult, dude, going to Orange County, dude. I got my tickets.
Damn, dude.
September 10th.
There's a lot of Cali people watching this, so.
Yeah, dude, I'm probably gonna hang out with Calvin
Dude,
and Song.
why don't you do a meetup, dude?
I should, but
Like when you go there. Like a big
yeah,
meetup.
I will, dude.
Yeah, we gotta go to New York, though.
We do gotta go to New York.
And do a meetup there.
That'd be kind of sick. If like Spider-Man was legit, bro,
Oh my
Spider-Man would have a New York accent.
Bye.
Let's get started. Like, how much did I butcher it, dude? Do you understand what I'm saying, dude?
I know what you mean. Like,
Are you sure?
I can.
Like, even
I
if
know
you,
from experience.
like, even if you know something,
Yeah.
you should just act stupid.
Yeah.
Because, like, sometimes your knowledge is gonna make people feel like shit, you know? In the fucking Korean subtitles, they fucking said it with, like, sick-ass words. Like, you need to feign ignorance. They got Prime in Korea now, you saw that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, Logan Paul. Yeah. We're mature, I guess, too.
I think, like, a 10-year gap is, like, up to 10 years is, like healthy, you know? It's, like, okay, you know?
Yeah. Do you have a gap with your wife?
Yeah, it's like a year.
Like a year?
Yeah, 안녕하세요. 작은 커피 2개요. My wife was born in January 8th, 1990, and I was born September 17th, 1988. So we're like a little bit more than a year apart, right? There you go. But hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, bro. Hey, I've shown a couple people your photo.
Yeah.
And I got positive feedback.
That's good, dude. Hey, I got you're on YouTube, bro. You're on YouTube.
You're on YouTube, my friend.
Oh heck yeah! I love being on YouTube.
Yeah.
Turn on your camera real quick, bro.
Alright.
This is Adam.
This is Adam. This is like my brother, bro. I don't even call him my friend, to be honest.
This is like the OG,
What's up, guys?
the first friend.
This is like, so we were friends since I was like 4 years old, bro.
Yeah.
So Adam and I, the thing we did was we never took showers, and we used to go surfing, and we used to just wash our hair with the ocean water, and then we used to go to, and then that was our look.
Natural.
And then we used to take these.
Right here.
We used to take our showers. It was just deodorant and cologne.
Dude, that's healthy right there, dude.
It is healthy, and you know what's funny? Since that moment, I still only use hand soap, like bar soap.
Oh, that's
Shampoo,
what's up.
no conditioner.
That's what's up, dude.
Just
All right, this is like my secondary spot here. 4 or 5, you know.
Yeah, for real. I think my longest friend is like middle school.
But that you like talk to every day.
No,
See?
that's the difference. Like, I'm still acquaintance with him. Like, I still talk to him here and there. But like you and Adam, dude, that's just rare to find, dude. That's like family shit.
I never feel like it's the year until it's June, like, because like April is like so close to January, and then when it becomes May, I always think it's March still. Dude, life has been going so fast. Is like if you keep busy, you know, dude. But the thing is, dude, when I was young, like the fucking thing I used to tell the girls and shit, dude, I don't know if I should say it, dude.
Say it all.
No, but I used to tell them like, I used to take them to like a sunset or some shit on like the river or the beach and be like, you know, when things are so beautiful, time feels like it's going by slower. When I look in your eyes, a second feels like an hour. Dude, what? The one thing AI can't do is have a personality and have stories and shit. Back to like My Mister or whatever, it's like office politics, a lot of that show. If I have to sit next to someone for like 10 hours a day, it would be sick if I could just like, you know, they don't have to be the best coder or anything. They just have to like be able to chill, you know? Have interesting shit. You know, like the Raiders, bro? Al Davis, he used to like draft people on like how fast and how strong they were. Because he was always like, football can be taught. You know, like speed and shit, you're like that shit is, you know what I mean, dude? I'm sure you could train to be like faster and stuff, but you have like a cap at some point. But the Raiders are kind of drafting different now. So my name is Phil. I became a senior developer after the age of 30. If you have any story about, you know, that you want to explain in the comments about like things you shouldn't know, but you do know, and you don't want to share with the rest of the world, let me know in the comments. We'll get a conversation started. Like, comment, share. It'll really help me and us as the YouTube channel. It'll help the algorithm. And, you know, if I can do it, you can do it too. Coding saves lives. This is what the app looks like now, dude. The code looks a lot better, I think. What's up, homegirl?
What's up, homeboy?
Homeboy. What's up, chica?
I know, right? What's
Yeah.
up,
What's up?
gangsta?
What's up? Wait. What's up, chola? Is that
Chola, okay.
okay? I got it.
Little Chino, all right, little Chino.
Okay. Little Chino. Oh my goodness. No, little.
Was that a bit racist?
No. I thought I was. Okay. I fixed the app, by the way. So I pushed that code. Let's set up your computer. Is that cool?
Okay.
And press LS. All right. So, oh, you have the new one. Let Social mobile app, right? That's the new one. So you got to you got to CD into it, actually.
Okay. Okay. From the same.
So just run. No. Just run code space dot. Okay. So now it added this. If this isn't in your profile in your current shell, please add the following to your current profile. We've added the following to your adding to path. Okay, we added path, the export yarn. So now it's added, right? So now I can go cd ls. Now if I do cat.zshrc, you'll see on the bottom it got added, right? Export path home dot yarn. So it got added into the path now, right? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I'll go back to desktop, ls cd.
Hey, what's up?
Exactly.
Check this out, dude.
That's whiskey, right? Or rum?
Single malt whiskey.
Nice.
I should
You're
have.
like halfway through that.
Yeah. I should have a shot.
Hmm?
You want a shot? Why?
It's never too early for whiskey.
Exactly, Mac. Exactly what you said right
I want to kind of be like Suits, you know, where you like drink whiskey during work.
What is that? I actually just got a haircut. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I noticed.
It used to be long. It's not that long anymore.
I noticed. That's why I said something. You don't think so? But I'm saying you should get an A line, like this kind of like bangs like this, and then like an A, you know, like this.
Oh hell, that's too short for me.
You'd never do that, dude?
Maybe one day.
Like this.
Or no.
Like an
I
A
need
line.
a picture.
Wait, like an A line. Like, wait.
Oh, I see. Huh. I don't know if that goes with my face though.
This one right here. Would you ever do this? Yeah, I fixed the front end, dude. Can I show you real quick? Can I show you guys?
Oh, you fixed it?
Yeah, I fixed it. It's running again. You just have to pull the main. But I'm using a new library, so it looks like this.
Oh.
So the code is all the same, pretty much, right? It has the config, it has the context, it has the hooks, everything. Everything's almost the same. It is using the new architect. It is using 0.79 or whatever. So everything's hooked up. Hold on, let me just make sure this backend is running. Let's switch to backend. npm run dev.
It's React Native 0.79?
It's 7.9, yeah. It's really fast. It'll build a lot faster now. So like, see how it's running now? It's like everything's good, but just the UI is gonna be a little bit different. Do you remember how much code there was to put into the elements? Oh, this was Jocelyn's code base. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get out of here. I messed you up. All right, I'm gonna.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna exit that. Okay, so this is the code that's kind of. This is my computer, right? So, holy shit, I'm an idiot. All right, so now the foundation config. Like let's change this to 100, and if I refresh, hold on. Now I'm getting a little bit confused. Initial screen, and then I'll give it the heading. Let's think, heading. And do you see how it says welcome, like really big now? Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's super easy. So like here, you just, if I change this to 40 and then I refresh, it'll go back to 40. And then there's like other stuff here. It's really fun. And then it's like, I want to change this to like, you see how all these like are already set, like blue 10, and then it turns blue. Like all these are already set in size. So it's super easy. Like if I put center, it'll put it to the center. If I put like, let's do left. How do I do text? Let's do start. Is start one? Like the documentation's really cool. It's made by Wix, so it's super easy to work with. It's React Native UI library, RNU lib. So if you look at the documentation, it's saying here's the foundation. This is how you do everything. Here's the colors. Here's all the assets. You can set your assets, and then you just, there's like a way to do everything. And then like here I see left. So if I can put like this to the left, that'll put things to the left maybe. Not here, sorry. Hold on, refresh. Maybe not, sorry. But then I can change this color to like, or if I put, I think I gotta put flex here. So it takes up the whole screen. So then, oh, here. Oh, it's getting overridden. So then if I put like left here, it should put everything to the left. You see that? If I put it to center,
Yeah.
it's gonna put the center. If I put it to right, it's gonna put everything to the right. And like, it's super easy. Like, and then you can put like padding. So then like, I could put something like, so on here I could put like padding, padding, and then value like 10, or let's do like 100. Or it should work something like this, right? padding.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do like padding. Or padding would not be correct here. Margin, and let's just do 100. Or every single icon, we're just gonna, so that, you know, like when we import a whole vector library or whatever, it's a lot of code and places can break. But if we just have our own SVG kind of like icons, it's gonna be a lot better. Worked on backend endpoints. I'm gonna, Song, you updated your pull request, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check it out, okay? First, I think it'll be quick. Let's take a look. Whoa.
I have another question.
Yes.
So you know how when the user sees all the posts
Yes.
on like the For You tab,
Yes.
how's the algorithm gonna work for that? Like, do we have to make it ourselves or?
Yeah, we're gonna have to make it ourselves, but for now, I think I'm just gonna do it by time.
Chronologically, right?
Yeah, chronologically, like, you know, sort by, you know, created at. That's how it's gonna work at
Okay.
first. But then later on, we're gonna have to create some kind of algorithm where, I don't know yet. It's not my forte, but I'm willing to learn. But we're gonna have to make
Yeah,
some
I'm
kind
down
of
to make an algorithm. That sounds
Yeah.
actually pretty cool.
some like recommendation model, right? Like we have to kind of
Yeah.
like put some kind of point, like a point system, like I don't know, like what data that we're gonna have is like age group and like gender, right? And then like what kind of like things are into like JavaScript or whatever. And then we kind of have to put more like you have to make those go to the top, right? So like
Yeah.
we have to like create some like I know like how to do it, like some like point scale where like let's say however many girls clicked on it, right? We like the information that we know is like how many girls clicked on it and the age of 20 and all this kind of stuff, right? So then we know that that's going to be a high probability that another girl is going to click on it. I don't know how to do it yet. I have it in my head a little bit, but we'll flesh that out as we get more data. Git checkout song add comment like. Whoops. Status git add git commit git checkout song add comment like git pull. All right. You're moved. I have comments and I have likes. I have 2 likes. This is liking on it. We're liking on a comment, right? We used to send in the post ID, Gabe. I think I did that with you. We changed this to like. We changed it to liked ID because now we can kind of like scale it by liking a comment or a post or a reply, and that's what it was. That's what we're doing. Okay, I think it looks good, right? It's all working correctly. All right, I think it's coming together. The backend is coming together, huh? It's cool
Yeah.
to see. What if I accidentally liked something that did not exist? Thing is, like, he did a post request to handle like at that comment ID. Maybe like this was just I don't think this is like a big deal, but maybe we can do that as well here just to keep consistent. What do you think?
Okay.
So we can add the comment ID here. So that's a string param. So we can just do string param. And the comment type, which is always going to be a reply. So when you reply, it's always going to be a reply, right?
Yeah.
When you hit this endpoint, it's always going to be like a reply that you're making. Does that make sense?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so this is not needed because this will always be reply. So you can create that, updated that. And then what that's gonna do, so you don't have to create that here. Oh, you already did that here. Okay. Now, if I do a reply, I automatically need to mentions is going to be the comment.author, right? And I'm not sure you need to do the post author here, but you definitely need to notify, hey, someone replied to your comment.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then one thing that I need to kind of flesh out is also like you know, like every single comment and every single like post view and stuff, like everything we need to put like there needs to be some kind of thing inside of the handler where we do like a ctx.call, like v1.users.activity, and then post like what the action they're doing and all that kind of stuff and who's doing it. So that's something that we need to I need to flesh out a bit, because then you can kind of later put like, this message was read or this wasn't read, or like this person viewed this 30 seconds ago. So we need to flesh that out later on. Yeah, a lot of things need to happen. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Please, Song, can you research into the bookmarks or like the saves or bookmark service and try to build out another service on your own, microservice?
Yeah, I can try.
All right, thank you. And Gabe, let's get together and flesh out the comment thing and reply thing a little bit more. And then Jocelyn, I need you to get that Xcode running on your computer, and because I'm gonna bring you into the front end now because you have a Mac, right?
Okay.
The front end's working now.
Yeah.
Back end is working. It just needs to be fleshed out a little bit more. And this is what coding together is about: reviewing and wait for the design. I know it's being really late, it's slow, but everything. You know what? Like, if someone wants to comment like us being on a timeline, like something realistic, and push us and check in on us. Like, where the fuck are you guys? What are you guys doing?
Yeah.
Let me know if you guys want to be a project manager or something.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. Talk to you soon.